Shout out to the real that got up, got it out the mud. We started off at nothing, now we the same ones that run it up. They hate on us, but on the real we screaming out. Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. I'm praying to God they give me more.
Benz back. What's up, YouTube? I'll show y'all how we flipped the interior in the Benz. Yeah. Center console. See that center console? Mercedes. You see that baseball stitch? Yeah. Right down. See the details. The flow used to be this color. It's right there. It's the color. Oh, yeah. Just the center console. The recover, the remake. Doing all new brown carpet. You know, this carpet over the years may get dirty depending on how they drive it. But this is one of my man's cars. You know, giving you a little glimpse. This morning, there's the brown carpet going over there. You see the flow. Clean them up, you know what I'm saying? All brown though. Brown carpet. You know, then I freaked the back dash. You know. This many panels right here is because eventually we're gonna put speakers back there. We ain't put no box. You know, we're gonna keep it nice, elegant. Probably some 6-inch mids. Not mids, but 6-inch something or 8, never know, but we're gonna keep the trunk space. As you see, amp wires was already, system already was hooked this up a few months ago. But detail, back to the detail, the Mercedes. Steamer right around in there, it's gonna grab. You know, we don't have no material coming loose, so if you see any spots like right here, I have to, even if I have to take it off and recover it, ain't nothing. Just basically put the steam to it, pull up, put glue up in there, picking it up, and detail. What, 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. You know, I make those.
still numb to how I hate or feel, cause they just wanna